Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here in Belgavi, the city of manufacturing, and I'm happy to introduce you today's guest, Mr. Raghunandan S. Kulkarni, President Hydromatik. It's good to meet you, sir, here
Hello, good evening.
in Belgavi.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, at your office. Uh, to start our discussion, sir, I wanted to ask more about Hydromatik, what it does. So, can you let our audience know more about your company, what it does?
Sure. Hydromatik, we are basically into manufacturing of hydraulic fittings. we manufacturing we manufacture Dean fittings plus American standard fittings. We have a product range around about 10,000 fittings, 10,000 different type of fittings,
Correct.
which has ORFS, GIC fittings, Dean fittings, and other international related fittings.
Correct. And can you elaborate on the core values of Hydromatik? And how do these values influence the company culture and the way employee approach?
See, the basic core values of the company is innovation,
Yeah,
integrity,
correct.
teamwork, quality, and more sustainability.
Okay,
These are our core values.
okay. And can you provide some of the examples how Hydromatik has gone above and beyond to meet customer? Hydromatik has been in operation since 1999. So how does the company approach continuous improvement and innovation to stay competitive in the market?
See, we have invested lot of our time in research and development,
Correct.
in continuous improvement. Then we have done a lot of market research regarding where the business is,
Correct.
and we have always believe in partnering with a client.
Okay.
That is very important.
Okay.
So that relation we have developed between us and our client.
Okay. So they
So
can
that-
come with the challenge and
Yes,
problems.
yes.
Okay.
So we always hear to our customers. We are there for them.
Okay.
There where our strength is.
Okay. So to take a cue, I can say close to the customer is something which Hydromatik always looks
Yes,
for.
we always believe in that.
So, sir, what sort of initiative and strategies your company has implemented to enhance your product, your service, and operational process over the years?
We are enhancing our quality assurance. We are coming up with a new product range. Then we are investing in infrastructure.
Okay.
Our new plant will be coming. We are investing in latest machineries,
Okay.
and moreover, we are investing in our employees.
Okay.
We are training continuous training.
Okay.
That is where our core strength is.
Correct. So to take a cue, I can say employee first and putting all your,
Of course,
not egg in one basket. You're taking care of all the front.
yes. And moreover, we are investing a lot in marketing
Oh.
and digital transformation.
Oh. So that is what manufacturing
Yes.
is right now, moving to.
Yeah.
We are here in Belgavi, so let's talk about Belgavi. What is the strength of Belgavi? How do you see this ecosystem supporting manufacturing? And I see a special, strength or charisma for all the entrepreneurs I'm meeting here in Belgavi. Everybody is, proud and they are hardworking, and also what is the secret sauce or recipe you people are making here in Belgavi to make all the MSME and SME successful?
First of all, Belgaum is a fantastic place to live.
Okay.
Fantastic people around.
Okay. About Belgavi, its ecosystem, the culture, and how it has become a manufacturing hub of Karnataka.
First of all, Belgaum is a fantastic place to live. It's a very safe city, cultured city. Education wise, it's a I think it's a educated city also.
Okay.
And most important, like we are based in a very strategic location where connectivity is very good. So we have been connected to Maharashtra.
Yes.
This side we are connected in Goa. We have good air facility, air connectivity.
Yes.
Because now this railways, very good connectivity.
Yes.
And logistically wise, where our part moves, to the port. It's very means connected to the highway.
Okay.
So that is a great part of it. Our strategy location is very nice.
Okay. And what is the secret recipe of success of all the entrepreneurs in here in Belgavi?
Belgaum people are very hardworking.
Okay. So to take a cue, trust me, hardworking is what Mr. Kulkarni says is the
Hardworking and enterprising also.
enterprising is the mantra for success for people in Belgavi.